Hello everyone. Good morning students. I am Poonam Patil. For this semester I am teaching you computer application in business subject. As you see on the screen, see BBA 4 SEM computer application in business. Then subject code is 404. For this subject total 100 marks, 20 marks for internal exam and 80 marks for final exam. Okay, in this subject there are 5 modules. We'll see the what is the portion in each module. Okay, module first, database management system. Concept of database means what is the concept of database. Definition means what you mean by database. Characteristics of DBMS means characteristics of database management system. See here, this characteristics of DBMS is very important question, because this question so many times asked in question papers. Okay, you see the previous year's question papers. Then advantages of DBMS. Then actors on the scene. There are 3 actors on the scene: database administrators, database designers and end users. And then working with database. Then how to create tables in database, records. Here how to create tables in database, how to insert the records in database we'll see later. Then fields, data models, then data languages DDL, DML and DCL, TCL. These are the database languages. We'll see one by one later. Then determining relationship. Relationship means what? How many types of relationship. Then primary key. Primary key means what? Foreign key. Then ER diagram means entity relationship diagram. Then lab work on this. You have a practical on database management system. For this you use the Oracle software, otherwise MySQL software. So we are using the MySQL software to create the database. Then second module, network, computer networks and internet. Definition of network. Network means what? What are the types of networks? Then topologies. How many types of topologies we'll see? Then transmission media. There are 2 transmission media, wired and wireless. We'll see in detail later. Then network models. There are 2 network models, peer-to-peer and client server. Introduction to internet means what? Internet means what? What is the use of internet? Then definition, concept we'll see. Then IP address. IP address means internet protocol address. For each device there is a unique IP address. Using this IP address you can find that device location. Then service provided by internet means what type of service provided by internet to the customers. Then internet applications means uses of the internet. Then web page. How to create the web page using HTML language. For this semester you have a practical on database and HTML language. Then HTML means hypertext markup language. Then structure of HTML. See here, as you learn in previous semester, C programming language. Is C programming language, it has a particular structure. If you want to write down the code, according to that structure you can write down the code. Similarly in HTML there is a structure. It has a proper structure of HTML. According to that we should write the code behind that. Then tags. It consists of number of tags. In C programming there are number of syntaxes. Using syntax we write down the code. In HTML using tags, different tags, we write down the code behind that. Then text formatting tags. There are so many different text formatting tags, we'll see later. Then image. If you want to insert the image in HTML page, then how to insert the image we'll see. Then hyperlink. We use the hyperlink for connect the web pages, because if you want to create website, so number of web pages we should create. How to connect one web page to another web page using hyperlink we'll see. Then tables. How to create the tables in web page. Then form tag. See here, if you are filling the online form, in online form first name, middle name, last name, gender, date of birth, all information comes. At the end there is a submit buttons. If you fill all information, then you click on submit button. That type of form how to create using HTML, you have a practical on this. Okay. Then URL, uniform resource locator. Then website means what? Web browser means what? Then search engine. What is the difference between web browser and search engine? We'll see later. You have a lab work on this, designing the web page. How to design the web page we'll see in this module. Then module number 3 is internet banking and internet marketing. Introduction to internet banking. See here, if you want to do your banking transactions, no need to go to the bank branch. You can do your work at home using the internet. Okay, what are the service provided by internet banking to the customers? We'll see here. Then core banking system means what? Telephone banking means what? Mobile banking means what? Then applications of electronic fund transfer. Electronic fund transfer means electronically you can transfer the fund from one bank account to another bank account. See here, if you want to transfer fund, earlier days we should withdraw the amount, then carry that amount and deposit in other bank. It's a very risky. So instead of that, electronic using EFT, electronic fund transfer, using RTGS and NEFT, we can transfer the fund from one bank account to another bank account easily. See here, RTGS means real time gross settlement, NEFT means national electronic fund transfer. Then introduction to internet marketing. Internet marketing means what? See here, if you are doing the online business, so how to advertise your product, how to sell your product online, how, if you want to buy anything online, how to buy, these all things we study in this module. Then what is the scope of internet marketing, what are the benefits of internet marketing, we'll discuss in this module. Then types of internet marketing. There are so many types of internet marketing. Email marketing. Through email you can do the online business. Social media. Through social media you can advertise your product. Then video marketing, article marketing, blog and pay per click. We'll see this in this module. Then fourth module is e-commerce and electronic data interchange means EDI. E-commerce. Define e-commerce. E-commerce means what? Nowadays all are using this e-commerce technology, e-business. You all are doing the e-business. How to do that, what is the use of this, what are the benefits of this, we'll see in this module. Then types of e-commerce. There are three types of e-commerce: B2B, B2C and C2C. B2B means business to business, B2C means business to consumer, and C2C means consumer to consumer. See here, then if you are doing the if you are using the e-commerce or e-business, what are the pre-requirements for e-commerce, we'll see here. Then what are the advantages of that and what are the disadvantages of you if you are doing the, if you are using the e-commerce technology. Then define shopping cart. See here, if you buy anything online, then you get the you will know, you know the knowledge of this. Shopping cart means what, buyer means what, seller means what, placing order means what. Then shipping address, payment gateways. See, if you buy anything online, if you like any product, if you want to buy that product later, then you can you can add that product in cart, that shopping cart. Buyer means the person who is buying, seller means the person who is sell the products, placing order means, see, if you like that any product, so at the end you can select, you can fill the all information. At the end you can place on placing order means you can order that product, give the order to for place an order. Then shipping address. Shipping address means up to where your product comes, so that shipping address you can see. Then payment gateways means how you pay the money. If you buy anything online, how to pay. If you want to give the cash when delivery boy comes at your home, that time if you pay the cash, then that's called as a cash on delivery. Debit, using debit card you can pay, using credit card. Otherwise internet banking, through these payment gateways you can pay the money. Then EDI meaning, what you mean by electronic data interchange. Electronically data interchange means how we can exchange data, means interchange data using electronic device. Then what are the advantages of that, what are the disadvantages of EDI, we'll see later. Then module 5th. In module 5th, electronic payment system means how we can pay our bills using electronically, using internet. See, if you are doing this, so we need a security in this. Introduction to electronic payment system, what are the advantages, what are the disadvantages of that. Then types of electronic payment system. There are number of types of electronic payment system. You can pay your bills using debit card, credit card, smart cards or internet banking and e-cash. choose anyone. Then meaning of security. See, when you doing this electronically you paying your bills, then you need a security for that. So meaning of security means what security issues in e-commerce. If you are using the e-commerce technology, what are the issues comes in that technology, we'll discuss here. Then security tools, there are two security tools, firewalls and antivirus. See here, if you don't want to lost your data, so we need a security for that. We So firewalls and antivirus will protect your data. See here, this is your syllabus for 4th semester. So we'll discuss one by one in next video.